Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Right, we've got some long words and phrases today. That should make it easier, but it might mean that they are not words and phrases, but have got a lot of different meanings. So if I don't know the meaning, then that might be a problem. I think we'll just start with these 4, because they're all nicknames for rappers and R&B groups and that sort of thing. They're not even one away. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, there's no others, so that must just be a red herring. No hard feelings, no biggie, no worries, and no sweat. Okay, we'll try that then. That is a group. Okay. So, what on earth is Wu-Tang going to be if it's not in the group of rappers? I mean, it's a clan. Are there other things that are a clan? Or maybe it's something to do with one of the members. Like if they had a member who had the same name as something in Mario World and something in Cape Cod or something. I'm clutching at straws here. But what are we going to do? I mean, we've got Pac and Snoop as well. Obviously, Tupac is what I was thinking of. But if it's not going to be that, it could be Pac-Man. But then how would that fit with anything else? I mean, those around Pry and Snoop obviously mean the same thing, and so does Poke. Okay, so let's do that. They all mean to meddle. Okay. What about the last 2 groups? What is Cape Cod going to be with? I feel like there's just some American bit of knowledge about it that I'm just forgetting at the moment, or I just don't know. It doesn't really help that I don't know what a camisole is. I feel like I've heard it before. Is it like an umbrella or something like that? I'm not certain. So we're going to have to focus on some of the others. I don't know enough about Mario World either. Oh dear. I mean, drum and bass, obviously, can be abbreviated to D&B. What else is drum and bass going to have in common with any of those other words? Glue. I mean, what's glue going to be? It's 1 letter away from a colour. But I don't see how that helps. A glue gun. Power button. Is Pac another name for like an anorak or something? Is that what a camisole is? Like a raincoat? Oh dear. Why is it Mario World specifically as opposed to any of the other Mario related words it could have been? Mario World contains someone called Luigi. I don't think there's a member of Wu-Tang called Luigi. Oh, that ends in a fish, a cod. That ends in base. That ends in soul. I don't think any of the others end in a fish, so therefore tang must be a fish. It rings a vague bell, but I'm kind of basing that on process of elimination. They are all correct. Very disappointed I didn't spot that sooner. I do eat a lot of fish, but I've still got no idea what links these for, but it doesn't really matter. We know they go together. They're all super. What is Super Pac? Super Glue, obviously. Super Mario World, okay. Super Power, fine. I don't know what Super Pac is, so tricky one. At least I didn't need to know what a camisole or Cape Cod was in the end, so I embarrassed myself by unnecessarily revealing how little I know about either of them. But anyway, we solved the puzzle. Just that one slight error at the start. We basically just fell into a red herring, didn't we? We picked a group of 4, and they'd deliberately made it so that one of those 4 was in each of the other groups. So they got me. But we still solved the puzzle in the end, so it is a success. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.